Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy CapCut Pro on iPhone. So first of all, just download on the App Store. Go ahead to the App Store and download the CapCut. Now it's downloading. Now you want to go ahead and open up the CapCut application. Go ahead and allow you to send notifications and agree to the terms of services. And now you want to go ahead and log in or sign up to your CapCut. Now, once you have signed in here, you want to go ahead and start a new project. And for example, on a new project, I'm just going to add some type of video effect, which would be from Pro version. Let's click on Pro. And for example, go ahead and add it here. And now, once you click export video, you will see that you're using Pro features and you want to go ahead and click Join CapCut Pro. And now, as you can see, this is how much it costs. And you can also go ahead and use cloud space if you only want a cloud space. But monthly, it is that much. Then you're going to click purchase. And then you can go ahead and use Apple Pay purchases, and buy it with Apple Pay if you want, or you can also set up another payment method. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.